Hey guys, welcome to TechBase. Today I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to enable and use chat bubbles on Facebook Messenger. It's pretty simple, so let's get started. First, open Facebook Messenger on your mobile device. Tap on the three vertical lines at the top left of your screen. Tap on Settings. Now go ahead and scroll down to Preference. Enable the chat head button. Select Go to Settings. Enable the button next to Messenger in order for chat heads to show up. Head back to Messenger. Once your chat head is turned on, return back to chats. Now, if you want a chat head to appear on top, simply long press one of the chats. Select Open Chat Head. Now, a chat head has appeared on your home screen. You can easily access all of your Messenger by simply tapping on the Messenger icon. Tap on one of your chats. And that's it. If you want to remove the chat head from your home screen, simply drag it down to the bottom. And that's it. This is how you enable and use chat bubbles on Facebook Messenger. Thank you for watching TechBase. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.